Radar is one of the most powerful tools we have for tracking weather, but it could look like a mess to you with colors and shapes and everything. You don't know how to, read the radar. So right now we're going to teach you guys how to read the radar. The most common radar product is reflectivity. It shows precipitation such as rain, hail, snow by bouncing radio waves off of particles in the air. So here's the deal. The green you see is light rain, yellow is moderate rain or moderate precip, red is heavy precip, purple or white, that could be an indication of hail or extremely heavy rainfall. But watch out for small, sharp pockets of red and purple on the reflectivity, especially if they're isolated. That's often where hail or intense updrafts could be happening. Now, here's where it gets even more fun. Velocity radar shows wind and how it moves relative to the radar. So the green is wind blowing towards the radar. The red is wind blowing away from the radar. And put those side by side and spinning, that's rotation. And it could potentially be a tornado. This pattern is what storm chasers look for. It's called a velocity couplet. If it's tight and strong, the storm might be rotating or even actively dropping a significant tornado. Let's take a look at this radar loop together. See this red core? That's where heavy rain and possibly hail is falling. Now let's go to velocity. See that red and green pair? That's rotation. If you were near the storm, you would want to take shelter pretty quickly. Weather radar isn't just colors. It tells a story. And once you understand how to read it, you're not just watching the weather. You're reading the sky. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe, and let me know what else you want to learn. Stay weather aware, and I'll see you guys in the next one.